Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome to Maria Lesson Channel. Today's video ay mag-harvesting po tayo ng itlog sa aming mga manok. Good morning, Sylvester! Are you gonna start pulling that one? Yes, because we're gonna plant new one. Put over here dahil going to feed to our chooks. Look at them, Sylvester. They are so excited. Good morning, Chookie! Hello! Son, I'm gonna collect your eggs, okay? In exchange, I will give you lots of fresh vegetable. Yes, yes. Not just this one. We're also gonna mix with tomato. Nandito po ang aming kamatis. So, tapos na po siya. Actually, kailangan na po namin tanggalin itong punuan. And then, bago po namin tanggalin, pipitasin po namin itong mga kamatis na leftover. Bibigay po namin sa manok. Let's collect all the tomato. Marami po. I think they're dying, Sylvester. It's finishing. We're gonna give this our chooks.
Yeah, this still not finished yesterday.
Yeah. See, it's rotten. Kaya para sa manok na lang talaga ito.
Not much in here. You can go inside though.
Yeah, go.
Here's so many.
Yeah, go inside, darling. In that top. Because look at the chooks. They know what's going on. They're waiting. Where is it? No, there's more here as well. I know. There's plenty here. Hindi nila na-harvest lahat ni Dave nung season pa talaga. Kaya ito, nag-ano na siya. Nalata na yung iba. Pero okay pa rin man naman eh. Ito. I think this one is still good. Still edible to eat this one. The good one, Sylvester, it's for us. And the bad one is for the chooks. Not really bad one, pero edible pa rin po para sa manok. Ito, I will separate this one, Sylvester, because we still can eat this one. Lalagay natin dito. Oh, look at the chooks. It's getting excited. They are really getting excited. Is it a lot there, honey?
Yeah, there's plenty.
What's that?
That's not a
Yeah, that's all right for the chooks. Is it getting...
That was a bad one.
Ah, that's fine. Chooks will love that. Yeah, chooks will love that.
Actually, these big ones here are good.
Ah, yeah. Well, don't give to the chooks the good one.
Where are you putting the good ones?
I put in the silver bin. Maybe don't pick the good one, honey. We will pick to ourselves later on. Mag-harvest lang tayo, yung para sa manok lang talaga. What's that, darling? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, okay. May mga marka lang. Okay lang yan. Is there more, darling? I think there is a lot.
Now it keeps reducing because there's some green.
Mm-hmm.
There's more at the top.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo po yung talong. Lumaki na. Parang dumami na naman po. Yung kaka-harvest lang po namin not long ago. I think that should be enough. Mag-harvesting tayo ng parsley. Wait, Chucky! Look! Mix na ang pagkain nyo ngayon. So, for sure, tigi-isa sila. I know! Mag-harvest po tayo ng parsley para sa manok. Mix po sa pagkain po nila. Really good parsley. Quality. Here we go! Dahil mag-harvesting eggs na po ako. Oh, you love cutting the stem. Favorite po ni Sylvester, kinakat yung stem. Diba? Ganito po sila ka-spoiled. Kaya yung eggs po namin, very organic. Masasarap po yung kinakain nila. Very abundant sila sa gulay. Siyempre, kung healthy yung may-ari, healthy din po yung mga yung mga manok namin, mga alaga. Oh. I think they love the parsley and yung silver beet. Gusto rin po nila hinahawakan ko. Ganito po. Where's Timmy? Huwag niyong tukain yung kamay ko, ha? Is that Timmy? Ay, napaka-sweet naman talaga kang Timmy. It's really amazing me. Nakilala niyo ta. Ginagawa parang aso. That's enough. Be careful to her neck.
Look, someone got plucked in the bum.
Don't disturb her because she's just eating. Divinia. Where's Divinia?
Here, next to you.
Where?
There, he got attacked in the bum.
Is this Divinia?
Yes,
You're kidding me.
he got attacked in the bum and the vet took has no tail.
Honey, I can't recognize Divinia anymore.
Really?
Ah, we
No
can
more
have
tail
it.
feathers?
No more tail for Divinia. Poor Divinia.
It's all gone.
Natake
He
siya.
has a tail there.
Yeah.
There he is.
Look at the chook. It's climbing on you now. They're waiting. Like, hurry up, Sylvester. Oh, look. After. Ay! Not my hand. Whoa. Now, it's time to collect their eggs. Medyo matagal na din guys since the last time po ako nag-harvest. Kaya check po natin. Actually, while nung nandun po ako sa Pilipinas, nagbebenta pa rin po si Dave sometimes. And tara! Whoa! It's a little bit messy here. Pasensya na po dahil maglilinis po kami ngayon. Ito po yung eggs. At ito na po yung itlog nila. Grabe, ang dumi guys. Kasi parang hindi na po nalinis ni Dave. At sa likod din po, maraming pupo. Kaya kung mag-harvest tayo ng egg, gagamit po ako ng gloves. At lilinisan ko po yung mga itlog. Normal lang po talaga yung mga dumi na may mga ano sa itlog. Dahil nangingitlog dyan, umuupo. Ano na po tayo ng gloves para malinis. Lilinisan po natin yung itlog. It must been how many days bago nag-harvest si Dave. Dahil nga, nag-stick kami sa Adelaide. Kaya ito po yung mga itlog na build up. Para hindi magkakrak. Malalaki yung itlog nila actually. Meron pa dito. Grabe, nag-crowded na yung itlog nila dito. Hello, Chucky, look. I'm collecting your eggs. Tumitingin siya. What are you doing? I am collecting your egg, guys, para malinis yung eggs nyo. Dahil ang dami ng pupup. Wala, nandun na sa pinakalikod. Kailangan natin malaman ito kung saan yung fresh. Doon na kasi sa likod eh. Kawawa naman yung mga hindi na linisan dito ni Dave. Sobrang busy sa pag-aalaga kang Sylvester. Nandito po tayo sa kabila. Wala. Meron dito. Ang daming langaw. Ano talaga pag may manukan kayo, ang daming langaw. So, ito na po lahat ng itlog na na-harvest po natin. I am going to rinse it. So, normally, pag malinis po yung itlog, pag malinis yung bahay nila. So, ngayon, dahil hindi nalinis yung bahay nila for a long time, ganito po ang nangyayari. Nagkakadumi-dumi po ang itlog nila. So, kailangan pong hugasan, lalo na po yung mga dumi. Hindi naman po gumamit ng sabon or brush. At pag ganito po, pag hinuhugasan, kailangan talaga ilagay sa fridge. Kasi mas madali pong masira ang itlog pag nahugasan na po. Pero pag malinis po, lumalabas yung itlog, gagaya po nito, it lasts long pag hindi nyo po nilinisan. Kasi parang natatanggal din po yung ano nila sa balat pag nahugasan nyo po. Gamit po tayo ng brush. Kasi sayang naman po, 4 days hindi nakapag-harvest kami nung pagdating ko. Kaya ganito po, nag-build up yung itlog. Sobrang daming dumi. Para ano talaga, mawala yung bacteria, pwede po gagamit ng detergent. Slowly na nawala yung mga pupo. Slowly na nalilinis. Pwede na siyang lutuin. Yan, malinis na po. Actually, hindi lang tubig ang hinugas ko para mawala yung bacteria. May ginamit din po ako. Suka, it's supposed to be good din po. Pampatanggal ng bacteria. Lagay po natin dito. Kailangan to siya, patuyuin mo talaga. Kasi pag basa, hindi maganda. Mababaho po siya. Then, pwede na to ilagay sa ano namin, sa box ng itlog. Hi, Sylvester! Sylvester is very excited, guys. Nailagay na po yung mga nalinis kong itlog sa box. Good on you, Sylvester. Para malagay po sa fridge. Tingnan niyo po kung gaano kadaming pagkain po namin galing po sa aming garden. Of course, yung talong na hinarvest po namin kahapon. Actually, may bibili po na eggplant po sa amin. At saka yung iba, i-preserve ko po. At yung chili, sobrang dami. Ganito po ka-bless pag may sarili kang tanim. Siyempre guys, I'm very thankful na yung mga pinaghirapan po talaga namin, makikita nyo na po. So yung chili, hindi na talaga ako bibili. Lalagay ko lang po ito sa freezer bag. Yung talong talaga, grabe, may bibili po. And it's very good quality. Oh, how many eggs, Sylvester? For 1 dozen, how many eggs? Did you count? 12. Good job! So, we only have 2 box, guys. Kasi normally, pag nag-harvest kami ng itlog, ay niluluto po namin agad. So, panay kuha lang po kami sa box. So, we have 2 dozen. Ilalagay po namin to sa fridge. And itong pagkain ay maluluto lang po yan ng isiloli. Lucky po is may malaki kaming fridge. Freezer pala. Para maano ko po ito. So, yung plano ko po, is it 12?
12 equals 24.
Whoa, 12 plus 12 equals 24? You're so smart! So guys, yung plano ko po, i-steam ko po siya bago po ilagay sa freezer. And then may nakita din po ako sa YouTube kung paano po i-preserve yung talong. So first of all is hiwain nyo po ng maliliit, then ilagay sa oven. Then pag malagay nyo po sa oven, magtimpla po kayo ng oil, lagyan ng flavored chili, onion, garlic, tapos mix with vinegar. Pero, at the same time, based on my research, hindi siya maganda for long term, for long time po. Yun po na, na preserve. Kaya, much better na lang para mas safe yung lutuin ko na lang i-steam, then ilagay ko po automatic sa freezer pag ma-steam ko na po siya. Wow! Nag-blower na yung isa. You like it? That's okay. Very good, Sylvester. You love helping. Minsan, nagmumowing na yan, guys. Gusto niya yung mga ginagawa namin. Siya rin din po mismo gumagawa. Over there, darling. Maybe you have to keep continuing. Can I please try? Yeah, like that. Is it heavy? Now it's time to clean the chooks. Namin nilalagay yung mga dumi po ng manok. So, actually ito, slowly na po nagda-down. This is probably 6 months ago. Ito po yung bago. Tapos, ididig lang po namin ito mamaya pag mag-start na po kami pananim. And yung sa pinakailalim talaga ay slowly na po maging fertilizer. We're cleaning the chooks house, Sylvester. Are you excited?
Yeah, some chooks were sitting in the
Oh, look at that. The watermelon, Sylvester. After kanina, yan na po ang naging resulta. Sobrang linis. Ginawa na po nilang tubigan. Napakalinis po talaga pag may manok kayo. Yung mga leftover nyo, as in, ganyan po talaga kalinis.
before.
Mas malinis pa sa tao sila kumain.
Before the was chooks were sitting, look like a bent leg.
Is it? No, I think they're okay.
Some chooks were sitting in a funny way like bent legs.
Is it?
Yeah.
I didn't see. It looks alright. Daddy? Daddy's still cleaning. Yeah. He's still removing some chooks po. Big job.
Look, the clucky chooks in there.
Yeah, the Clucky Chook is investigating. Hmm. Yung isa gustong tumulong.
Someone's in the picture.
Yeah? Alright, let's wait. Now, maglagay tayo ng bagong pastro. Lalo na pag winter, malamig na itong ano nila sahig. Yan, mag-explore na sila. Ano? Excited sila, oh. Yes, this is your new home. They're very excited. Napaka-curious. Nagdidiging na siya. Yeah! Malinis na ang bahay nila. Push it. You gotta push it. Wrong way now. Yeah. And yeah, no. This one. This way. Look to mommy. Watch and learn. Look. You got it? You put all the lid, darling. Oh, well, that's okay. I will give you. Hi. Yes. New home na sila. Malinis na. Not too much, darling. Don't put everything there. They want have some space to their bum, remember?
It's right.
Right to the other side.
No, there's not enough over here.
Good? Go inside! Check nyo na kung anong ginawa namin sa bahay nyo. At ito na nga. Nag-house tour na po sila. After ko po naayos yung bahay nila, tingnan nyo po, di ba? Ang ganda na po ng tahanan nila, for sure. Mas masaya sila ngayon. Chooks, say thanks for running our house. Maganda na ba? Ayan, isa oh. Nagmaritis pa sila sa likod talaga. Oh, very good daw. You're welcome. At dito po magtatapos ang aming video. And before everything, let's Easter egg. Maghahunt ng egg po kami ni Sylvester dahil Easter. I am going to hide all the egg. So guys, mag-Easter egg hunting po kami. Tulungan niyo ako mag-hide ng mga eggs. Tingnan natin kung sino mas magaling, si Dave ba or si Sylvester. Saan ba to? Chokes, huwag kayong maingay ha. Naging lazy na. Dito yung iba. Come out! I already hide the eggs. You better look for it. Come here. Where's Daddy? Let's see who's the champion. Sylvester or Daddy? Yeah? Okay, wait for Dad. Look for the eggs. Look, hello guys, ane. It's somewhere in the backyard where all the garden is. All the vegetable. Where all the vegetable. Wait, Daddy, wait for Daddy. I give you a clue. It's in the backyard only. In the backyard side. Now, just have a look. Come on, Daddy. Go, Bester. Come on. No, it's not in the Chook's house. Look around. Daddy find something. Look, it's over here. It's not in the Chook. Wait, Daddy. Look for it somewhere in the ground. Look for it, Sylvester. It's not there. It's only in the area here. Circle around. Well, the silver bait is Sylvester. Go look for it. Look. Okay, it's somewhere here. Go look for it. Not there, Sylvester. It's only here. I can see already. You haven't seen it, guys. You haven't seen it. I can see. There's more. There's more. Keep looking. Keep looking. There's more. Look, it's in the other side. It's in the greenhouse. Sebastian, go down there. Go down there. It's in the greenhouse, Daddy. Ah, you just missed one. I can see before. You miss it. You look for it. I can see. I wonder where is it? Ah, where? I wonder where. You gotta look. I think it's outside. It's outside. I can see already. I think that's it so far. I think I still can see it somewhere here in the other side. Sylvester saw it. That's it. Yay. Yeah, you can eat. Yay. Have some, Daddy.